The turtle got it. Oh, the turtle's attacking. Turtle's attacking. Oi, oi, twin turtles attack. Oh, hey. Oh. The turtle is brushing my stash, if you will. Oh, 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 it's attacking me. One vicious turtle there. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, it's attacking me. Turtle. Oh. Turtle's eating my ear. Turtle's eating my ear. Damn, no hands. Look, no hands. No hands, if you will.
No hands. No.
Hey. Hard to hear, kind.
No hands.
Oh, look, everybody.
Look, everybody. He shaved his hair and now he's bald. Look, everybody. He's bald.
Oh, I got a page. Hey. Despensa el antir. All right, hello. Can you guys hear me? Can you hear me? Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. What up, Chad? Hey, yeah. The stash is gone. Hey, thank you for that. Thank you for those gifts, man. Highly appreciate that.
All right.
All rise, if you will. All rise. Yes, I have court.
Good evening. You may be seated.
All right. Hey, thank you, Matthew. Thank you. Highly appreciate that. Oh, man, she's typing upset. That's like the way my type.
All right. Good evening. Types. My name is Commissioner Elizabeth Campbell, and this is the 8 p.m. initial appearance calendar.
Did she say 8 p.m.? What
for Wednesday, October 8th, 2025. The court's orders for the taking of DNA and fingerprints that were given on the first calendar of this month shall apply to all matters on this calendar. Persons appearing before this court are reminded that they have the right to remain silent and that anything they say could be used against them. Most of you have qualified for a court-appointed attorney. If you have not qualified for a court-appointed attorney, or even if you have, you may retain an attorney at your own expense to represent you.
We're just starting, y'all.
I will be calling you up individually. When your name is called, please proceed to the podium. At the conclusion of your matter, officers will have paperwork for you. That paperwork will contain my complete orders in your case.
Oh, that guy's shoes, they're suspect.
It will also contain
suspect,
the dates,
if you will.
times, and locations of your future hearings. All right, we're going to start this evening. Do you know who counsel is appearing for?
Did she say, are we going to start this mess? Is that what she said?
Thank you.
Hopefully everybody's doing good.
Sorry about that.
What up, Lex?
All right, we're going to start this evening with Raymond Enriquez, please, and then Gabriel Gaitan.
Gaitan? This is okay, cool.
All right, sir, go ahead, state your name.
Yeah, the
Raymond
state is here,
Enriquez.
Maui.
And Mr. Enriquez, what is your date of birth?
8/20/89.
Thank you. All right, sir, you
Hey, what's
are
up,
here
Reggie?
this evening because the Maricopa County Superior Court issued a warrant for your arrest in a direct complaint matter. That direct complaint alleges that on or about August 20th of 2025, you committed the offense of aggravated driving or actual physical control while under the influence of intoxicating liquor or drugs, a Class 4 felony, and there are 2 counts of that. In that matter, I am appointing you an attorney, and I am setting hearings on October 14th at 8:30, October 15th at 1:30 p.m., and October 16th at 8:30, all in the
Bro, can you
downtown
see
Maricopa County Superior
what
Court.
case from Miami?
Because you were on release in your 24 matter on the date of offense of the charges in your direct complaint, I am holding you non-bondable in this matter.
We ain't going nowhere.
All right, go ahead, step to the left. Officer will have your paperwork
Step
for
to
you.
the left.
Gabriel Gaitan, please.
Up next on The Price is Wrong.
All right, sir, go ahead, state your name.
Gabriel Gaitan.
And Mr. Gaitan, what is your date of birth?
02/25/05.
All right, sir, you are here on 2 matters this evening. We're going to go ahead and talk about your new charges first, and we'll talk about your probation case.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you are here because you were arrested yesterday on possession of a weapon by a prohibited person. That's a Class 4 felony. Carrying a deadly weapon, failure to admit, Class 1 misdemeanor. And carrying a deadly weapon, person under 21 years of age.
Damn, that was out of control.
That's a Class 3 misdemeanor. I did find probable cause for all of those. I am appointing you an attorney. I am setting hearings
Cindy
on October 14th
Youngs,
at
thank you.
8:30 and October 16th at 8:30, both in the downtown Maricopa
what up,
County
V-Honda?
Superior Court. In your new matter, I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $10,000. Now, you are also here because you are currently on probation in your case CR 2025-122039. In that matter, your new charges would constitute an alleged Term 1 violation of your existing probation. In your probation case, I am appointing you an attorney, and I am setting hearings on October 15th at
Hey, what up,
8:30
Arturo?
in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. In your probation case,
Thank you for
I
that,
am
Rose.
setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $1,500. In the event you are able to post your bond and secure your release, I am reminding you, you are on probation, so you would need to contact your probation officer
Is that
within
a dude?
72 hours. All right, go ahead, step left. Officers have your paperwork.
Damn. This is a serious question. Is that a dude? Just asking. Hey, thank you, V2. Hey, what up, Patrick? Hey, thank you for that. Highly appreciate that. What up, Lindley? Highly appreciate you. What state is this in? This is Maricopa
Mr.
County,
Zazueta?
Arizona, if you will. Can I get a
Are you ready, or do you need some more time?
show? Can you guys hear me? Can you guys feel
Yeah,
my
you just
energy?
want to wave at me when you're ready, and we'll take you next. Okay.
Hey, thank you for the follow.
All
Highly
right,
appreciate
Douglas
you.
Rodney, please.
Arizona in the house. Show. Let me see. Hey, your chat is on the screen. Is frozen. Woo.
I'm so sorry.
Oh, it is. Hey,
Swapped
thank
your
you for
name
that.
to Rodney Douglas.
Yes.
All right, sir. Go ahead, state your name.
Let me,
Rodney
thank you for
David
that.
Douglas Jr.
All right, Miss Douglas, what is your date of birth?
04/24/1991.
Thank you. All right, sir. You are here because Maricopa County Superior Court issued a warrant for your arrest in a direct complaint matter.
Jeez.
That direct complaint
Connecticut parole
alleges that
hearings?
on or about June 29th of
I
2021,
haven't
you
seen them.
committed the offense
Live?
of aggravated assault, domestic violence, a Class 4 felony, another count of aggravated assault, domestic violence, also a Class
No,
4 felony on or about June 29th, 2021, and a last count of aggravated assault, this one a Class 6 felony on or about June 29th of 2021. In this matter, I am appointing you an attorney, and I am setting hearings on October 14th at 8:30 and October 16th at 8:30,
All
both
right,
in the
cool, Chad,
downtown
thank you.
Maricopa
On
County
TT
Superior
or on
Court.
YT?
Pursuant to that direct complaint arrest warrant, I am setting a cash-only appearance bond in the amount of $5,000. In the event you are able to post that bond and secure your release, you are not to initiate contact with the alleged victim. You are not to possess any weapons. You are not to possess any drugs without a valid prescription, and you are not to possess or consume any alcohol.
Okay.
Do you have any questions?
Yeah, they had said they mailed out the original summons to the wrong address.
That I don't know, sir.
Because
Judge
when
don't
I
care.
talked to the guy over there, he
The
said
guy
it
over
was
there.
an address that I didn't recognize.
Okay. I don't know. The only thing that I know is that you are
don't
before me
know.
this evening on
Thank you,
that
Florida girl.
direct complaint arrest warrant that we just discussed.
Is there any way to be released at pretrial or lower the bond?
What up, Tonka?
So in this matter, I do understand that, well, I do know that this warrant was issued on June 1st of 2022. However, given the amount, even given the time that has
Oh,
elapsed,
damn. That's crazy,
I'm going to
Tonka.
go ahead and maintain that bond at
What up,
$5,000 cash. All right, go ahead, step to left. Deontay Wade, please.
Hey, what up, Lock the Connections up in the house? Are you looking for love? Are you looking for love behind bars? And if you are, I got the perfect love connection behind bars for you. Locked Up Connections, if you will.
All right, Mr. Wade, go ahead and say your name.
Deontay Deshaun Wade.
And
What up,
Mr.
Mickey?
Wade, what's your date of birth?
2/12/94.
All right, sir, you are here because Maricopa County Superior Court issued a warrant for your arrest in a direct complaint matter. That direct complaint alleges that on or about December 5th of 2024 through December 26th
What up,
of
Shawana?
2024, you committed the offense of trafficking in stolen property in the second degree, a Class 3 felony, and on or about December 5th of 2024, you committed the offense of robbery, a Class 4 felony. In that matter, I am appointing you an attorney, and I am setting hearings on October 14th at 8:30 and October 16th at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. Pursuant to that direct complaint arrest warrant, I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of
It's not Ashley.
$2,500. I see you're wearing an orange top. Are you in custody on other matters as well?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so just so you are aware, even in the event you were to post this $2,500
thank you for the
secured
follow.
appearance bond in this matter, you would still remain in custody if you are in
Hey, I'm
custody on
live,
other
yeah.
matters. Okay. You may not return to the scene of the alleged
My
crime,
brain can't
and you may
handle
not have
Ashley.
any contact with the alleged victim.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, go ahead. Step
Thank you,
left,
Glorified.
authorized
Thank you.
paperwork.
Welcome. Did somebody say stash? What
Amir
the what?
Abdel Salam, please, and then Cody Bennett.
Let me see. I'm so glad you're live. I'm glad I'm live too. Flower, thank you for the Kim. Thank you for the follow.
Thank
Highly
you.
appreciate you. James, hey, thank you for the follow.
We'll
Highly
do
appreciate you.
Mr. Bennett, and then we'll.
My name's
check in.
Bennett, and
All
I
right.
ain't in it.
All right, sir, go ahead, state your name for the record.
Hey, what up, Seawall?
I'm here, Ali Abdel Salam.
And
Little
Mr.
Tam
Abdel Salam, what is your date of birth?
10/21/2000.
Jacksonville,
All right,
Florida.
sir,
Nah.
you are here this evening because the Maricopa County Superior Court issued a warrant for your arrest in a direct complaint matter. That direct complaint alleges that on or about June 21st, 2025, you committed the offense of theft of a
Peachy,
means
thank
of
you.
transportation, a Class 3 felony. In that matter, I am appointing you an attorney, and I am setting hearings on October 14th at 8:30 and October 16th at 8:30,
Mama Bear.
both in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. Pursuant to that direct complaint matter, warrant, I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $2,500.
Nah, Jaden is not working right now.
No, I'm going to ask because you're wearing the orange top. Are you in custody on other matters as well?
Yes.
All right, so you are aware that even in the event you were to post that secured appearance bond, you would still remain in custody on your other matter. Do you understand that? All right, go ahead, step to the left. Officer has your paperwork for you. All right, we're going to take Mr. Bennett, and then we will move to you, okay?
Damn, Mr. Bennett.
Oh, okay.
I've never looked into Jacksonville, Florida. Do they
All
do
right,
live
Cody
courts?
Bennett, please.
See, well, that's the rant. Ay.
All right, Ms. Bennett, go ahead, state your name, please.
Cody Bennett,
And Mr. Bennett, what is your date of birth?
January the 5th, 2023.
All right, so you are here this evening because the Maricopa County Superior Court issued a warrant for your arrest because you failed to appear in your
Royal,
matter
thank you.
CR 2023-100796. In that matter, I am not appointing you an attorney because if you are eligible to have an attorney appointed, one should already have been appointed for you. You can always retain an attorney at your own expense to represent you. I am setting a hearing on October 14th at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. I am also setting a cash-only appearance bond in your matter in the amount of $2,500. In the event you are able to post that bond and secure your release, I am reminding you, you do need to go to your hearing on October 14th, because if you don't, another warrant may issue for your arrest. You also need to contact your probation officer within 24 hours because you are currently on intensive probation in Pima County.
No, ma'am.
Hell yeah, that's right,
I'm actually finished. I got a probation a little bit early.
Okay, so my notes are that you are in fact still on probation. So I'm going to say contact your probation officer within 24 hours. If you are in fact off of probation, then your probation officer can let you know that, all right?
Okay.
All right, go ahead, step to the left, officer will have your paperwork.
Step to the left. Damn, I'm glad I'm not in jail.
Do we have...
hey, how many of you guys are glad that you guys are not in jail right now
stay
or in
on the
court?
line for,
Because I know I
Corbin
am. I appreciate my freedom.
All right.
Sir, look at the judge. Lily. Hey, can I get I'm glad I'm free in the chat. Hey, I don't like this dude. I don't know. His shoes, his glasses, his balding head. Something's definitely off right here. I don't know what the charges are, but let me see. Not that hard to act right. That's right, Marianne. What up, Nicole? Bueno, James, that's right. Let me see. Never been, never will. Hell yeah, that's right. Keep it like that, little tam-tam, if you will.
All right. Mr. Zazueta?
No, Your Honor.
No.
Matthew Lopez. Derek's one of my associates.
Okay. Sorry about that.
That's okay, no problem.
All right, Mr. Lopez, I'm going to ask your client to state his name and date of birth, and then I'll let you make your appearance on his behalf, okay? All right, Mr. Neville, go ahead and state your name, please.
Corbin Neville,
And Mr. Neville, what is your date of birth?
May 5th, 1994.
Thank you. And Mr. Lopez, would you like to state your appearance on behalf of...
Good evening, Your Honor. Matthew Lopez on behalf of Mr. Corbin Neville, who's standing to my left. On behalf of Mr. Neville, we're able to read the charges.
Okay. All right. And on behalf of the state...
Excuse me, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor. Good evening, Ashley Stetson.
Ah, snap! No!
Thank you. And Mr. Lopez, I understand that you have waived the reading of the charges. However, one of my obligations this evening is to find probable cause. So with your waiver in mind, your client's been charged with aggravated assault on a first responder. That's a Class 6 felony.
Oh, I was going to prison.
Based upon my reading of the Form 4, I am inclined to find probable cause for that. Ms. Stetson, did you want to be heard on probable cause?
No, Your Honor. The state does believe that probable cause does exist. The Form 4 does indicate that the victim in this case is a Tempe police officer. Thank you.
Oh, they was going to
All
prison.
And Mr. Lopez, did you want to be heard on probable
cause?
cause?
Get rid of those sandals ASAP.
All right, I am finding probable cause, and I did see that your office, Mr. Lopez, has entered a notice of appearance. So I'm going to indicate, for purposes of my form, which is that I am not appointing him an attorney this evening in view of your notice of appearance.
He assaulted a police officer.
All right, I am setting 2 hearings in this case, the first on October 14th at 8:30 and the next one on October 16th at 8:30. The next thing I must decide is conditions of release. Ms. Stetson, would you like to be heard on conditions of release?
Yes, Your Honor. Very quickly, the state did see that the suspect does not have what appears to be an extensive criminal history, Your Honor. It does look like he may have a past misdemeanor from what the state can see. However, Your Honor, the state is asking for a small bond due to the allegations in this case. The suspect appears to be non-compliant from early on, Your Honor. It does appear that multiple detention officers, as well as the victim, who is what is employed as a Tempe police officer, went in to attempt to do a blood draw that was this started off as a DUI, Your Honor. Allegedly started off as a DUI, Your Honor. A blood draw was a warrant was sought for a blood draw. The court did sign off on that warrant, Your Honor. They were attempting to fulfill their duties as sworn law enforcement officers or detention officers, Your Honor. The suspect became non-compliant. He did kick the victim in the groin. The Form 4 does indicate that there were alleged injuries, while minor, Your Honor, as a result of their altercation with the suspect. So the state is asking for bond. The state did, I believe, request $5,000 secured, Your Honor. The state did ask for standard conditions. However, Your Honor, this is a DUI, so the state would be asking for alcohol and drug monitoring. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. And Mr. Lopez, would you like to be heard as well?
Yes, Your Honor, thank you. Mr. Neville, 31 years old. As the state mentioned, he has no prior felony convictions. He has his master's degree. He works full-time. I've been in constant communication throughout the day with his the family. He's got a very supportive family. This was a one-off occurrence. It does stem from a DUI arrest, and Mr. Neville does suffer some mental health issues that relating from some childhood trauma. And I think that was just, he was scared of the incident. It didn't. But I would ask, Your Honor, I think that Mr. Neville would be fully compliant with pretrial services with the state's recommendation of alcohol and drug monitoring. I don't think that a $5,000 secured bond would be necessary in this case.
What do you guys think?
And Mr. Lopez, I do appreciate your argument. I did review the Form 4, and, you know, at the Mr. Neville's level of noncompliance to include kicking the police officer in the upper thigh is concerning in that it demonstrates a real lack of compliance, and police officers, like everybody else, have the right to go home at the end of the day uninjured, and it is a community safety risk. However, I am going to go ahead and set a secured appearance bond in the amount of $2,500. I'm also going to require that Mr. Neville participate in pretrial services to include alcohol and drug testing, and that he not consume or possess any alcohol, not possess any weapons, not possess any drugs without a valid prescription. All right, and I am signing that. Could we reprint that? All right, is there anything further from the state, Ms. Stetson?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
All right, anything further from
No,
you,
Your
Mr.
Honor,
Lopez?
thank you very much. I appreciate it.
No problem. We will get you a courtesy copy of that.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay. Thank you. All right, we are, officers, we are reprinting that, and
Your Honor, the state does believe that's the only matter the state was appearing on. Can the state be excused?
yes, thank you so much, Ms. Stetson.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
No, thank you.
Mr. Lopez, you are welcome to use the room again if you would like, or if you're done, and you can also do that, but I wanted to make it available.
Even the state is like, nah.
All right, Alexis Thompson, please.
All right, Alexis, come on down. What do you guys think Alexis did? 2,500? No way.
And then David Cota.
David, come on down. He's going the wrong way.
All right, Ms. Thompson, go ahead, state your name, please.
Alexis Thompson,
And Ms. Thompson, what is your date of birth?
9/17/95.
All right, ma'am, you are here on 3 matters. We're going to go ahead and talk about your new charges first, and then we will talk about your probation cases. You were arrested early today on charges of possession of narcotic drugs, a class 4 felony, and possession of drug paraphernalia, a class 6 felony. Based upon the limited information that I have in front of me, I'm not finding probable cause for those violations. However, even though I'm not finding probable cause, I'm advising you those allegations are not dismissed, and you must still attend the court dates that I will give you because formal charges may nevertheless be filed. I'm further advising you that failure to appear at the court dates, which I will give you, could result in a warrant being issued for your arrest. I am appointing you an attorney, and I am setting hearings on October 23rd at 8:30 and October 27th at 8:30, both in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. Now, you are also here because the Maricopa County Superior Court issued warrants for your arrest based upon allegations that you violated your probations in your cases CR 2022-115857 and CR 2024-111685. In both of those cases, I am appointing you an attorney, and in both of those cases, I am setting hearings on October 15th at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. In your 22 case, I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $1,000. In your 24 case, I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $500. In the event you are able to post those bonds and secure your release, I am reminding you, you are on probation, so you would need to contact your probation officer within 72 hours. All right? Go ahead, step to the left.
I'm looking over here for the ice cream
David,
shirt that she's wearing.
please, and then Donald Mullins.
Because I want to buy it, but I couldn't find it. I couldn't find the Ice Cube shirt over here.
All right, sir, go ahead, state your name.
David Jesus Cota Jr.
And Mr. Cota, what is your date of birth?
8/17/87.
Hey, Drea, thank you.
All right, sir, you are here because the Maricopa County Superior Court issued a warrant for your arrest for failure to appear in your matter CR 2023-127580. In that matter, I am not appointing you an attorney because if you were eligible to have an attorney appointed, one should already have been appointed for you. I am setting hearings on October 14th at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. I am also setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $1,250. In the event you are able to post that bond and secure your release, I am reminding you, you do need to go to your hearing. If you do not go to your hearing, a warrant may issue for your arrest.
Thank you.
Okay, go ahead, step to the left, officer has your paperwork.
That fool Ice Cube has so many shirts. I never realized
Donald
this.
Mullins, please, and then Hector Campos.
Damn, this fool has tons and tons of shirts. I'm never going to find that shirt that guy was wearing.
All right, Mr. Mullins, go ahead, state your name, please.
Quit now.
Donald James Mullins.
And Mr. Mullins, what is your date of birth?
6/4/70.
All right, sir, you are here this evening because the Maricopa County Superior Court issued a warrant for your arrest based upon allegations that you violated your probation in your case CR 2022-102057. In that matter, I am appointing you an attorney, and I am setting hearings on October 15th at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. I am also setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $750. In the event you are able to post that bond and secure your release, I am reminding you, you are on probation, so you would need to contact your probation officer within 72 hours.
Oh, I found one that's similar.
Go ahead, step to the left. Officer has your paperwork for you.
Oh, no, that's not it. The guy
Hector
with the private
Campos,
attorney
please,
was
and then Victor Gomez.
He was charged with kicking a police officer in the grind area, if you will. Not a good way to start your week.
All right, sir, go ahead.
Or in the middle of the week.
Hector Campos Jr.
And Mr. Campos, what is your date of birth?
The year of 1984.
Excuse me, come again?
So September 5th of 84?
Yes.
Okay. All right, sir. You are here because your new charges in case CR 2025-139501, which are possession of narcotic drugs, a Class 4 felony, and possession of drug paraphernalia, a Class 6 felony, constitute an alleged Term 1 violation of your existing probations in your cases CR 2023-000560 and CR 2024-113308. In both of those matters, I am appointing you an attorney, and in both of those matters, I am setting hearings on October 15th at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. In each case, I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $250. I'm going to ask, because you're wearing an orange top, are you in custody on other charges?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so even if you were to post your
Christy, thank you for the
secured appearance bonds in these two cases, you would still remain in custody on your other charge if you are in custody on your other charge, okay?
Okay.
All right, go ahead, step to the left. Officers have your paperwork.
Hey, Jesse, thank you for the follow. Highly appreciate you.
Victor Gomez, please.
Victor
And then
Gomez.
Pete
Come on. What do you guys
Valenzuela.
think Victor Gomez is here? What do you guys think? Maybe a little Krizak pipe? Maybe a little Krizak?
All right, Mr. Gomez.
Hey,
go
Lulu,
ahead,
thank you
state
for
your
that
name,
daily
please.
heart. Highly
Victor
appreciate you.
Daniel Gomez,
And Mr. Gomez, what is your date of birth?
10/13/1998.
98.
All right, sir, you
That
are
was a
here
good
because
year.
you're here on two matters. We're going to talk about your Maricopa County matter
Rug
first,
sales,
and then we'll move to your
DV.
municipal court matter.
Tess, thank you for the follow.
You're here because the Maricopa County Superior Court issued a warrant
Hey.
for your arrest in a direct complaint matter. That direct complaint alleges that on or about January 10th of 2025, you committed the offense of possession or use of narcotic drugs,
I knew
a
he had
class
Krizak.
4
I knew
felony. In that matter, I am appointing you an attorney, and in that matter, I am setting hearings on
What a
October
fa-
14th at 8:30 and October 16th at 8:30, both in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. In that matter, I'm also setting a secured appearance bond in the
Amy,
amount
thank you
of
for that.
$500. According to my notes, you are currently in the custody of ASPC Yuma. So even
It's a
if you were
tattoo.
to post the $500 bond in this matter,
Should
you
we
would
zoom in
still
on it?
be in the custody of ASPC Yuma. Okay? All right, now you are also here because
Hold on, let me
the
zoom in on this tattoo here.
Peoria Municipal Court issued a warrant for your arrest based upon your failure to appear in their matter stemming out of a May 2018 charge of
It's a G, I
theft,
think. A G or a
shoplifting,
C?
and false reporting to law enforcement. In that matter, I am appointing you an attorney for
Is
limited
that a G? Or
representation
is it
regarding
is
the
it an
bond
S?
issue only because I am setting a
What do you guys tell me?
$50 placeholder bond in that matter. I'm also setting a hearing on October 14th at 9 a.m. in the Peoria Municipal Court because I anticipate that you will still be in custody
A G?
on October 14th because of your DOC matter.
All right.
Detention officers should be able to arrange for you to attend that remotely so you don't
Hard
miss
to tell.
it. All right, the purpose of the placeholder bond in that matter is to give you credit for time in custody.
Fishing, thank you for the
All right,
follow.
do you have any questions?
Kenny from South Park.
I just want to say I wrote them. I had 3 misdemeanor warrants I was aware of. So I had one out of Tolleson, Phoenix, and
Looks
Peoria.
like an onion to
I
me.
sent out 3 motions to cross warrants. Only Tolleson wrote me back. So maybe they
I
didn't
think he
look
has
at
a
it in
mullet
time.
too
but
going on right there.
I'm
Are
here now,
mullets
so-
back?
Yeah.
So you might as well, I shouldn't say it that way. So yes, you'll have an opportunity on
Are
October
mullets a thing
14th
now?
at 9 a.m. You should be able to participate remotely and get the matter taken care of. Okay?
Okay, that won't interfere with the other court date you set for me?
The other court date I set for you is,
Hey, what's up, Sabrina?
so the other court date I set for you is October 14th at 8:30. You may want to talk to detention officers about getting
Mullets are back
the
since
phone number
1972.
for Tolleson, for Peoria, and perhaps calling ahead and letting them know that you're going to have that conflict.
Don't tell me that, Matthew.
Okay.
All right, and the officer is shaking his head like this is a thing that can happen. Okay.
Okay.
Oh,
All
that
right,
does
go
have
ahead,
a
step to the
mullet.
left.
All right. Thank you.
Pete Valenzuela and then Harley
Damn
Bajorgo.
it. Sheesh. Mullets are back.
All right, Mr. Valenzuela, go ahead, state your
Oh,
name.
damn.
Pete
This
Allen
was
Valenzuela.
years.
And Mr. Valenzuela,
Gators.
what is your date of birth?
March 14, 1985.
All right, sir, you are here this evening because the Maricopa County Superior Court issued a warrant for your arrest based upon allegations that you violated your probation in your case CR 2023-001090. In that matter, I am appointing you an attorney, And I am setting hearings on October 15th at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. I'm also setting a secured appearance bond in your matter in the amount of $250. In the event you are able to post that bond and secure your release, you need to make sure you go to your hearing on October 15th at 8:30, and you would also need to contact your probation officer within 24 hours because you are on intensive probation services. Okay? All right, go ahead, step to the left. Officer has your paperwork.
Hey.
All right, Harley Bajorgo,
Hey, I'm kind of feeling bad right now
Robert
because
King.
I'm hearing that one Karen from the other day coming in like, you're not right. Why would you treat people like that? Why? I want to speak up for the people can't speak up for themselves. That's what I'm seeing right now. That man, she's about to jump into the chat right now. I'm like, man, I don't need that. I don't need those type of problems right now. Let me see. Where can I watch this? Right here at Collect Call From on YT or TT.
Harley Bajorgo. And
Can anybody
Ms.
fix her?
Bajorgo, what is your date of birth?
6898.
What up,
Thank
Kimberly?
you. All right, ma'am, you are here this evening because Maricopa County Superior Court has issued warrants for your arrest based upon allegations that you violated your probations in your cases CR 2023-001607 and CR 2023-145487. In both of those matters, I am appointing you an attorney, and in both of those matters, I am setting hearings on October 15th in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court at 8:30 in the morning. In both of those matters, I am setting a cash-only appearance bond in the amount of $100. So that's $200 combined in cash-only appearance bonds. In the event you are able to post your bonds and secure your release, I am reminding you, you need to contact your probation officer within 72 hours. All right, go ahead, step to the left. Officer has your paperwork.
Step to the left.
All right, Robert King, please, and then Gabriel Gutierrez.
She should check the weather before leaving the house. Man, isn't it like 100 degrees in freaking Arizona right now, or Phoenix at least?
All right, Mr. King, go ahead, state your name.
Anybody want to
Robert Allen King,
It was kind of
King,
tall.
what is your date of birth?
8/29/88.
All right, sir, you are here this evening because the Maricopa County Superior Court issued a warrant for your arrest based upon allegations that you violated your probation in your case CR 2023-100298. In that matter, I am appointing you an attorney, and I am setting a hearing on October 15th at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. I'm also setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $50. Now, my understanding from reviewing your matter is that you are currently in the custody of DOC at ASPC Kingman. So even if you were to post this $50 secured appearance bond, you would still remain in DOC custody, okay?
88 degrees.
All right, go ahead, step to the left. Officer has your paperwork.
Step to the left.
Gabriel Gutierrez, please, and then
Hey, just me, thank you for the follow. That's
Quintero
true.
Amavisca.
From what I hear, 6'7" is from a song, and
right,
when he's
sir,
talking
go
about
ahead,
he's
state your name.
6'7" tall.
And Mr. Gutierrez, what is your date of
Man,
birth?
this was a small
April
fool.
21st of 90.
Can't even
Thank
see
you.
it.
All right. You are here this evening because the Agua-Fria Justice Court issued a warrant for your arrest for failure to pay in their matter arising out of a September 4th, 2020 charge for assault. I'm going to ask a question based upon your orange top. Are you in custody on another matter?
I've been in custody for the past 4 years, and that's the reason why I wasn't
Did you guys see the
able
way
to
he
pay
smiled?
Okay.
Kind of made me feel uncomfortable, kind of violated, if you will.
So.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. 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 We can't hang out. That's a no go. Orange top gets me every time. That's right, Shawana, if you will. Se le fue la canoa, if you will. If you're a Spanish speaker, you then from Central America, you guys know what la canoa means.
Continue in custody for a while yet?
That's a no-go for sure.
Okay.
That one kind of looks like Ernie. Ernie from George Lopez show. And from Vatos Locos Forever. Blood in, blood out. I don't know. I don't remember what they called him in Blood in, Blood Out, though.
All right.
Does anybody remember? Órale. This vato right here. La onda don't shine shoes. Austin Rez, you're laughing out loud. He does. Ernie, I don't know his real name, but I know they call him Ernie on the George Lopez show. I don't remember what they called him in Bound by Honor, if you will. Órale. Milkweed. Get down with some chon chon. Ain't nothing free in La Pinta. ¿Dónde eres, güero? Órale. Did somebody say there's a robbery at Zodi's?
All right, so what I am going to
4
do,
years and he's still
I'm going to go
doesn't
ahead
get
and
la onda.
appoint you an attorney for limited representation regarding the bond
Hey,
issue.
Jeff, nah,
only
I'm good.
because
I'm gonna
going
go
to
with
set a
today.
$50 placeholder bond in this matter, hopefully to get you credit for, to get you some credit for time in
Adrian
custody on this
Gonzalez.
matter.
Who's that?
I am setting a hearing on October 13th at 8:30 in the Agua Fria Justice Court.
Did somebody say agua?
Because you are in custody, officers should be able to arrange for you to attend that remotely.
Montana?
We are going
Nah,
to
that
need
was
to
in
reprint
Montana.
that if we could, and we'll get you your updated paperwork if you want to go ahead and take a,
You said I was gonna attend court
they should, yeah. you'll be-
video, or?
Yeah, remotely. I think it's a virtual attendance by Zoom or Zoom equivalent.
Okay.
I don't want your pork chop.
So that you,
I want his life.
Thank you.
Yeah, he kind of has the Montana beard, but I wasn't referring to Montana.
All right, Evelyn Quintero Amavisca.
He looks like he's 5 feet, my poor guy. Gator. He's a little fella. When I have a conversation with him, I would have to look down.
Hi. All right, ma'am, you are here on 2 matters this evening. We're going to go ahead and talk about your Arizona case, your new Arizona charges first, and then we'll go ahead and talk about your New Mexico warrant.
Hey, thank you for that daily
All
heart.
right, you are here this evening because you were arrested earlier today on charges of burglary in the first degree, a Class 2 felony, aggravated assault, Class 3 felony, and criminal damage, a Class 1 misdemeanor. I did find probable cause for all of those. I am appointing you an attorney. I am setting hearings on October 14th at 8:30 and October 16th at 8:30, both in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court.
What up, Jacqueline?
I am setting a secured appearance bond in your new matter in the amount of $75,000. In the event you are able to post that bond and secure your release, you would be subject to certain pretrial release conditions, including electronic monitoring. You may
This
not
is
return
from,
to the scene of the alleged crime or have any
Maricopa,
contact
Arizona.
with the alleged victim.
James.
My understanding from reading the Form 4 is
Thank you,
that the
Maui.
incident occurred at the the apartment complex where you live. So I am
What?
stating that you may come and go from your own
No wonder
apartment.
she got
It's
caught.
still permitted to do so by management, but you are not to linger
That's
or
all
loiter
bad.
in any common areas of the apartment complex, including patios, hallways, stairwells, parking lots, laundry rooms,
She looks
or
cold.
recreational facilities.
She
And
looks
again,
like she
you are
might
not
need a
have
hug
any
or two.
contact with any alleged victim. Now, you are also here because New Mexico issued a warrant for your arrest. Were you given a big white card? Okay.
Did she say Mexico or Nuevo Mexico? Hey, yeah, thank you for the follow. Highly appreciate you. Let me see. James looks like Cheech Boom in the East LA. Funny movie. One of my
All right.
favorites. Cheech Nuevo Mexico.
As I stated, a warrant for your arrest was issued by the state of New Mexico. That state
Okay.
wants you back on its warrant. Before court, you were given a big white laminated card. Did you read that card? Okay. As I stated, you have a warrant from the state of New Mexico. You have a choice to make at this time. You can choose to waive your right to an extradition hearing
What up,
and be
Deborah?
sent back to the requesting state within 30 days, or you can demand
Coming
an
in from
extradition
Coke
hearing and that a
Land.
governor's warrant be signed by the governors of both states before you are sent back to the state of New Mexico. If you choose to waive your right to an extradition hearing, you would be held non-bondable in Maricopa County Jail for a period of up to 30 days to allow time for the requesting state to come for you. That 30 days would start tomorrow as long as you do not have any criminal charges pending against you anywhere in Arizona. Now, as we just discussed, you do have those new Arizona charges. If you do have criminal charges pending against you in Arizona, the 30-day
Johnny, thank
period
you for
would
that.
not start until those charges are resolved.
Did somebody just
If
page
you
me?
choose to have an extradition hearing, I will set your hearing for October 20th at 1:30 p.m. in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. I cannot appoint an attorney to represent you because extradition
Jelly?
matters are civil in nature, but you would have the right to hire a lawyer at your own expense if you choose.
Yes, he'll page
You
me.
are entitled to bail, which in this case would be
This page work?
in
I'm
the
watching.
amount of a secured
Yeah, it
appearance
works.
bond in the amount of $35,000. If you are unable to post your bail, you would be held in custody during that time or until another judge modifies your bail.
Thank
A
you for that
governor's
page.
warrant signed by the governors of both states is required to extradite you to New Mexico. That process could take up to 90 days. All right, so at this point, you need to let me know whether you would like to waive your right to an extradition hearing, or whether you would like to keep that that extradition hearing on October 20th at 1:30.
This one came out
I'll
blank.
keep it.
Or it
Okay.
says 5309.
All right. In view of that, as I mentioned, that hearing is October 20th
People
at
still have
1:30
pagers?
p.m. in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. And in your New Mexico warrant matter, I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $35,000. Okay. All right, we will get you that paperwork. If you want to go ahead, step to the left, we'll get that brought out to you.
Step to the left. If you you say I blame Jesse trading her that Heisenberg blood.
All right.
Heisenberg.
And then, officer, we need to clear.
Oh, hey, trigger warning, guys. Trigger warning. This is going to be bad. If you ever had any type
We
of
need to
abuse
clear
as a child
after
or any type of trauma, you're probably going to want to
yes.
leave if
So
you
what
will.
I'm going to do is, while you're doing that, I'm going to go ahead and do
trigger
house
warning.
calls. Okay. We have two house calls this evening. Our first house call is David Smith. Mr. Smith's date of birth is November 11th, 1996. Mr. Smith is here on two matters. His first matter is out of Goodyear Municipal Court, and that is a failure to pay warrant. In that matter, I am appointing him an attorney, or I'm indicating that an attorney should be appointed for him at his next hearing for limited representation regarding bond issue only. I am setting a hearing on October 15th at 8:30 in the in the Goodyear Municipal Court, and I am setting a secured appearance bond in that matter in the amount of $250.
I was trying to tell you.
Now, Mr. Smith's other matter is also out of the Goodyear Municipal Court, and in this matter, the Goodyear Municipal Court has also issued a warrant for his failure to pay. In his matter arising out of a failure to remain at an accident. In that matter, again, I am appointing him an attorney for limited representation regarding the bond issue only, and I am setting a hearing on October 15th at 8:30 in the Goodyear Municipal Court. I'm setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $250. Our last house call is Manuel Romero. Mr. Romero's date of birth is June 2nd, 1992. Mr. Romero was arrested early today on charges of possession of narcotic drugs, a Class 4 felony, possession of dangerous drugs, a Class 4 felony, and possession of drug paraphernalia, a Class 4 felony. That should be a Class 6 felony. Hold on. And possession of drug paraphernalia, a Class 6 felony. I did find probable cause for all of those. I am appointing him an attorney. I am setting hearings on October 14th at 8:30 and October 16th at 8:30, both in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. I am also setting a secured appearance bond in his matter in the amount of $750. Could you please reprint number 16?
Got caught with that.
All right, and that brings us to the end of our house call. All right, Darius Masters, please.
Oh, Darius Masters. Oh, man. Darius Masters, what do you guys think? A silver bullet, a wood chipper, piranhas? We're feeding by piranhas starting at his feet?
Masters, go ahead, state your name, please.
Darius Masters.
And Mr. Masters, what is your date of birth?
03/31/05.
All right, sir. You're here because you were arrested on charges of sexual conduct with a minor, a Class 2 felony.
Oh, no.
I did find probable cause for that. Based upon the information that you provided to pretrial services, I'm finding that you are not indigent for purposes of appointing you an attorney, so I'm not appointing you an attorney this evening. You may retain an attorney at your own expense to represent you. I am setting hearings on October 14th at 8:30 and October 16th at 8:30, both in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. I am setting a cash-only appearance bond in your matter in the amount of $250,000. In the event you are able to post that bond and secure your release, it would be subject to certain release conditions, including electronic monitoring, house arrest. You would not have any contact.
2005?
Hold on.
I didn't catch his.
I'm going to need to update this one too.
Was that his date of birth?
You are not to return to the scene of the alleged crime, and you're not to have any contact with the alleged victim or any alleged or any complainant.
Damn, this was 20 then. Hey, Caleb, thank you for that. Highly appreciate that. Oh, the case? There was a case from 2000 yesterday? What kind of case was it? I think they said 250,000. Damn.
With no contact with any alleged complainant or witness. You're not to have any contact with any minors. You are prohibited from accessing the internet except for work, school, and court purposes. You may not possess any weapons. You may not possess any drugs without a valid prescription, and you may not possess or consume alcohol. You also would need to obey any order of protection that is issued or may be issued. All right. Do you have any questions?
No.
Okay. So we did need to update that paperwork.
Maribel
I think
Vasquez,
we're
gracias.
done now. All right.
Hell yeah, I hope so.
Where would I be going?
Where
Like, where am I going after
Preferably
this?
to a wood
you have
chipper.
to ask the officers about that, and they'll be able to give you a better idea.
Thank you,
Okay.
Caleb. You ain't going home, that's for sure. Not anytime soon, at least. Unless
You're gonna have to sleep here, James.
hopefully he has a real rough time, if you will. You're going to know.
Oh yeah, and we are going to the stand that completes the 8 a.m. initial appearance calendar.
8 a.m.
And we're going to stand adjourned until 11, and we are off the record.
Did she say 8 a.m.? Come on, Your Honor. Hey, hold up, guys. Don't go anywhere. Pima County's still going on right now. I'm gonna swap over to Pima County right now. Hold up. Ah, damn, they just finished. Damn it. Talk about bad timing. Hey, James, everybody. Hey, what's up? Well, it was. They just finished it right now, man. They went an hour and 50 minutes strong, if you will. They just finished it up right now. I had looked them over my phone, and they were still on. Let me see. Thank you, James, for everything. We appreciate it. See you 11. Yeah, I'll be back for sure. Today, I'm going to be back at the 11 o'clock one, which will be in 2 hours and 10 minutes, if you will. If you haven't done so, please do so. Hit that follow button. It's free 99. Are you out of your mind? It won't cost you a dime or a red cent. Hit that follow button. Don't be a Scrooge McDuck. Don't be a Mr. Krabby, don't be a Mr. Krabby Patty, if you will. Don't be a Scrooge McDuck. Don't be that person. Hey, I stream these streams for free. Free. I never ask and I never beg for anything as far as monetary. But for the sharing is caring, hitting that follow button, anything that's free, you better believe I'm going to hit you up for that. Tap that screen. How many taps did we get today? Damn, we got 25,000 taps. So, hey, highly appreciate you guys for the ones that were tapping. Appreciate you guys that were watching. Appreciate you guys that were sharing. Appreciate you guys dropping comments in the chat, because that definitely helps that, you know, our stream grow and whatnot. Hey, what's up, Harley 8? Gracias. Highly appreciate you. And for those of you that don't know, I've been doing these type of streams for a year now. I didn't start yesterday. I didn't start last week. I didn't start 2 months ago. I've been doing these on and on for at least a year now. So let me see. Thank you. See you soon. Let me see. James, man, I see a live where the guy jumped to his unaliving. What? Damn. That's crazy. Let me see. This is great. Thank you, Emily. Highly appreciate you. And he is the best. Thank you, guys. Hey, you know what? Hey, the way that I'm on these streams, this is the way I'm in my household. So my wife, she hates it. She's always telling me, hey, don't quit. She's like, don't quit your day job. You're not funny. I'm not sure why these people tell you this. And I'm like, man, you're just a hater. Why you hating on me? I'm funny. Let me see. 17K followers don't happen overnight. Like, hey, it doesn't. I've had this account. As a matter of fact, I opened up this account in January. I've had this account. This is my second account. This one, and I was able to grow this account. For me, I think it was fast. We just hit 17,000 followers. Sometime this month. Hey, let me see. Big TY, thank you for the follow. I really appreciate you. Too much energy. She says, yeah, sometimes. Yeah, I just got a little bit much. Let me see. It's your bae. Thank you. You're funny. Let me see. You're funny, James. Thank you for sure. Hey, me, gracias. Highly appreciate you. Gregory, thank you for the follow. Highly appreciate that. And on this account, the one that has 47 people watching right now, I've had this account. It'll be 2 years in, I think, March or April that I've been having it. And that account, I think it has 23,000 followers. The small one has 17. YT. And I also have a YT account. Don't forget to go hit that follow button on the YT account at Collect Call From. Let me see here. Anyhow, hey, I'm gonna go ahead and take a break right now. I gotta go do something around the house. I'm pretty sure my wife has been complaining about me doing it for the last few months, and I haven't done it yet. So I better get to that now before I get ready and whatnot. Anyhow, hey, I am Collect Call James. You are watching. You have a collect call from, and like I said around here, life's like a candle. Once you blow it out, it's lights out. And with that,
We're out a rato.
show. Rato. Man. My daughter cracks me up. She be coming out of nowhere. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and let me see. What am I gonna do right here? Let me I'm gonna leave the stream up, but I'm gonna go ahead and mute myself and turn my camera off, and I'll be back at 11. All right, guys. Let's see, 4K camera. Five.
That's not enough. We need 10,000.
10,000 people.
Yeah. Now I have 6. Not fair. Have 5.
5. All right, I'm gonna make some changes here right quick. Let me see this landscape.
Good morning.
Good morning. Could you please state your full name?
Anthony August Golden,
Thank you. And what is your date of birth?
8/31/1983.
Thank you. Now, you're being charged with 1 count of burglary tools possession as a Class 6 felony and 1 count of criminal trespassing in the first degree as a Class 1 misdemeanor. I did find that there was probable cause for these charges. I am going to appoint counsel to represent you. You have a status
Other questions? Okay, go ahead and grab your paperwork to your left and have a seat. The final three matters on the calendar today are all listed as house calls. Number 12 was not acute suicide watch. 15 and 14 were both being disruptive.
Hello, hello. Hey, what up? Hey, what up, 20 Moonstone? Gracias. Highly appreciate that. Court should be starting up shortly. I got the bar rolling a little bit early. Just like that to give you guys a heads up so you guys won't miss any of this court, if you will. Thank you. Highly appreciate that. Highly appreciate you guys. Let me see who else is in here. Let me see here. Man, how come my chat's not working? My chat is not working today. I don't know what's up with it. Is there an update? Hold on. Do I need to do an update? My chat's not coming up on the screen, if you will. Not sure what's going on with that. See, do I need to sign in? Do I gotta get coins? What up? Comments off. What the what? How come comments are off? Okay, it's frozen. Good, let go from. What? Hey, what up, Jelly Butter 92, if you will. Who's in here? Let me see. We got a few people. We got like about 6 people. And hey, thank you for them roses. Highly appreciate that. Highly appreciate that. Let's see. Hey, what up, Carolyn and Tony for live? That's what I'm talking about right there. Oh, you guys know the sound right there. You guys know what that means, right? Microsoft meeting is starting up. Thank you. My wife just brought me a peanut butter jelly sandwich, if you will. What up, King? My y'all. That's so rude. So rude. Eating like that and munching on. Hey, what's up? It's your bae. Comments are off. What the hell does it keep on doing that? Something is terribly wrong with this. Comments are off. They changed something. Hey, gracias, Marvelous. Appreciate you. What up, what up, Crazy Mama? What up, Anita? What up, Sabrina? He can't still. Yeah, the chat's not working. What up, Sabrina? Let me see. Googly eyes or funky? Man. I want a sweatshirt with your logo. Man, I got to do it one of these days. I'm such a procrastinator. I haven't done it. All rise. What judge do you guys think is going to be here tonight? What up, Oregon? Googly eyes. Man. Orientation. Quality. No, I don't need that. Picture in picture. Hey, what up? What up, Jeanette? How's it going? OMG, the googly eyes are hilarious. Let me see here. I need to figure out what the hell they changed that they turned up the comments. Let me see. I think this whole. I think that whole who's doing court. I think that who's doing court. What commissioner? Commissioner Campbell. Okay. Hey, what up? What up? What else up? What up, Kay? Oh, you know what? I gotta check if anybody's on YT. Seems like the court's running a little bit late right now. Hey, what up, Ronan? Yo, Pizza Head MC. What the what? What up, what up, Pizza Head? What up, Kaylee? Sorry, I typed that wrong. No worries, I do it all the time. Was that Shannon that I saw sneak into the chat? Why are my comments off? I'm still trying to figure that out. Hey, Mika, thank you for the follow. Highly appreciate you. I hear somebody's paging me. I moved the pager. I left it behind the screen. Hey, what up, Peaks Ahead? How's it going, man? Thanks for the daily course streams. Hey, you're welcome, man. You're welcome. Appreciate you. Give me a shout out. Ronan. Or is it Ronan? No sé. Which court is this? Man, come on, Jeanette. You should already know, man. Come on. It's Maricopa, if you will. Are you testing me? Are you testing me? Is that what you're doing? All right. Let me see. I'm going to try one thing. CTT. Capture, select whole window. Somebody's... No. Let me check one other one. This one. That ain't working. Hey, thank you for that. Appreciate you guys. It's late. You know what I say around here? Crime never stops. From Ireland too. What? Damn, we got 2 Irish up in here. That's what I'm talking about, man. Let me see. Call me, please, sometime. I need to speak to you. What the what? Let's see. Man, and let me see how many people that we got in here right now. We got 30 people watching on one stream. We got 58 on another. What the what? What up? What up? Hopefully everybody's doing good today. I'll probably have some more time tomorrow to dedicate to streaming for you guys. So I'm gonna try to get up early. If I'm able to get up early, then man, maybe we could do some Miami-Dade court. Judge Mindy. Judge Mindy. How would you guys like to watch some? Oh man, you know what? Maybe we'll do Polk County tomorrow. If I could wake up tomorrow, if I could get up by like 8 or 9, we'll do some Polk County tomorrow. OMG, I love her. OMG. 8 or 9. Polk County is fun too, man. I love Polk. Polk is like a bag of or like a box of chocolates, if you will. You never know what you're gonna get. Hey, what's up, Lisa? Thank you for the follow. Highly appreciate that. Come on, Judge, wake up. It's 7:07. You're in Ireland, right? Or the UK, Jeanette? If you will. All rise for the Honorable Judge Campbell. It's 2:04 or 2:07 a.m. User agent, move up, see, remove session. See, clear this. Hey, what up, Jelly? Come on, Judge, wake up. Bar reply only, no capture. User agent settings. Use auto. All right, I think we might be getting some action now. 11:07. Remove source. Let me see. Peeks ahead. I'm in Ireland, buddy. 7:07 all UK time. All right. Gracias. Maybe if I log in, it'll fix it. Let me try to log in. Hey, Arbor, thank you for the follow. Highly appreciate you.
All right.
Okay. Oh, it's gonna be this guy.
Thank you. You may be seated.
Oh no. This is the one from earlier on, right?
Good evening. This is the time set for the 11 p.m. initial appearance calendar on October 8th, 2025. The court's orders for the taking of DNA and fingerprints that were given on the first calendar of this month shall apply to all matters on this calendar. I'll call you each one at a time to the podium. I'll provide a second name to sit in the chair outside of this room. I will let you know what you are here for, if I have appointed an attorney, if you have a bond, and what your release conditions are. If we could start with Mr. Moore to the podium and Mr. Cox to the chair, please.
Did she say more Cox? Oh, what? No, she didn't say that. No.
Can I get your name and date of birth?
Could have said that.
Nicholas Moore, 11/15/88.
Thank you, sir. It does look like you are here on two warrants. They're both probation violation warrants. One is from Pinal County Superior Court and one is from Maricopa County Superior Court. Your Maricopa County warrant relates to allegations that you violated terms 3 and 5 of your probation. I am appointing an attorney and setting a probation revocation hearing October 15th at 8:30 in the downtown Superior Courthouse in Phoenix. On that case, you have a secured appearance bond in the amount of $500. Your second case, as I mentioned, is from Pinal County Superior Court. It is also a probation violation warrant. I'm appointing an attorney, and you're going to have a hearing on October 13th at 8:30, but that one's in Pinal County Superior Court. And Pinal County is holding you non-bondable. So even if you were to post the bond on the Maricopa County case, you wouldn't be released until you see the judge in Pinal County on that case, okay? All of this will be in your paperwork. Did you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, sir. If you step to your left, the officer will get you that paperwork. Mr. Cox to the podium. Ms. Caskey to the chair.
Ay.
May I get your name and date of birth?
Timmy Jacks, 5/18/89.
Thank you, sir. It does look like you are here on a grand jury warrant that was issued. It does have an offense date of December 3rd, 2022. It is for 3 counts of manslaughter, Class 2 felony, and 1 count of aggravated assault involving a deadly weapon or a dangerous instrument, a Class 3 felony. I am appointing an attorney to represent you. You will have an arraignment hearing October 15th at 8:30 in the downtown Superior Court.
Than I thought.
You have a cash bond of $200,000.
In the event you post that bond, you have written conditions of release. You may not initiate contact with any alleged victims, complainants, next of kin of any alleged victims, and you may not possess any weapons. All of this will be in your paperwork, sir. Did you have any questions?
No.
If you'll step to your left, the officer will get you that paperwork. Ms. Caskey to the podium, Mr. Jones to the chair.
Man, it's all fun and games till you get 3 hot ones. Jeez. And
May I get
it's
your name
already
and date of
Wednesday
birth?
today.
Renee Caskey, 9/2092. Thank you, ma'am. It does look like you are here on a grand jury warrant that was issued. It does have an offense date of March 22nd, 2025 and March 24th, 2025. It is for 1 count of armed robbery, a Class 2 felony, 1 count of kidnap, a Class 2 felony,
Kidnapping.
1 count of theft means of transportation, a Class 3 felony, and 1 count of narcotic drug possession, a Class 4 felony. I am appointing an attorney to represent you and setting an arraignment hearing October 15th at 8:30. You have a secured appearance bond in the amount of $50,000. It does look like you are currently in custody on another case, so if you have a bond on that case, this would be in addition to that. If bond is posted and you are released from custody, you have written conditions of release. You may not return to the scene of the alleged crime. No contact with any alleged victim, complainant, or witness. All of that will be in your paperwork, ma'am. Did you have any questions? No, ma'am. If you'll step to your left, the officer will get you that paperwork.
Hey, you missed Mr.
Mr. Jones to the podium, Mr. King to the chair.
And you missed a dude that did 3 manslaughters.
Let me get your name and date of birth.
Don Jones, 5/14/1968.
Thank you, sir. It does look like you are here on 2 cases. One is a probation matter. The other one is a case with pending charges. It does look like you previously posted bond, and the bond company that you posted bond with surrendered you, alleging that you were not complying with their terms of conditions of release. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to affirm the attorney that was previously appointed to represent you in each of these cases. You're going to have a hearing on October 15th at 8:30. That does apply to both cases.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
and then I'm just going to affirm the previous release conditions. So you have a bond of $1,000 in your probation case, $10,000 in your other case. If you post that bond again, you will be released, and you'll have the same written conditions of release, which do include not possessing weapons or alcohol and contacting your probation officer within 72 hours of release. All of that will be in your paperwork, sir. Did you have any questions?
So I would have to come up with another 11,000 to get out?
Yes, so I just reaffirmed the previous conditions since you were returned by your bond company. You can post those bonds again, but it is the full 11,000 again. It's secured, so you can contact a bail bonding company.
Sorry?
It is secured, so you can contact another bail bonding company. Thank you, sir.
Hey, I just found that shirt.
Mr. King to the podium.
$5.33 at Walmart, but they're out of stock. Let me see if Tupac.
Let me get your name and date of birth.
Christopher King, 4/22/86.
Thank you, sir. It does look like you are here on a grand jury warrant that was issued. It does have an offense date of May 8th, 2025 for 1 count of dangerous drug possession, Class 4 felony, and 1 count of drug paraphernalia possession, Class 6 felony. I'm appointing an attorney to represent you and setting an arraignment hearing October 15th at 8:30. In this case, you do have a cash bond of $5,000. It does look like you were currently in custody for other charges. If you have a bond in that case, this would be in addition to that. If you do post bond and are released from custody, you have written conditions of release. You may not possess drugs without a valid prescription, and you may not drive a motor vehicle without a valid driver's license. All of that will be in your paperwork, sir. Did you have any questions?
Are you sure you got the right Christopher King? Because I don't remember any felony drug charges at all.
They are new felony drug charges. They are from May, but this warrant was issued, let me get the date. It was issued.
Cause I got mail from another guy that was like, another Christopher King too.
Can you repeat your date of birth?
4/22/86.
And do you have a middle name?
James.
That's everything that's listed on here.
That's a coincidence.
It lists your date of birth and your full name.
What up, Linda?
Again, it was from May 8th, 2025. Other than the warrant, everything is sealed, so I don't have any additional information in here. But everything you've given me so far does match the information that has been provided. I did appoint an attorney to represent you. You'll meet with that attorney on October 15th, so if you do have some concerns regarding that, definitely discuss that with them. But they'll have the police report at that time, and maybe you can go over that with your attorney, okay? All right.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Mr. Kidd to the podium. Mr. Quintana to the chair.
Damn, I hate when I get indicted for having
Can I get your name and date of
sales
birth?
and
Elijah Kidd, December 30th, 2000.
Thank you, sir. It does look like you are here on a direct complaint that was filed. It has an offense date of October 12th, 2021. It is for 3 counts of narcotic drug transportation, a Class 2 felony.
Can you repeat that, please? I'm sorry.
So you have an offense date of from October 12th, 2021 to October 20th, 2021. That's the offense date of these charges.
Okay.
And it is for the sale or transportation of narcotic drugs, a Class 2 felony. There's 3 counts of that. And then 1 count of possession of dangerous drugs for sale, a Class 2 felony, and 1 count of possession of narcotic drugs for sale, a Class 2 felony. This warrant issued September 11th of 2025. Hold on one moment,
okay.
I'll let you speak, okay? I'm going to appoint an attorney to represent you and set a couple of hearings. You have a status conference October 14th at 8:30, a preliminary hearing October 16th at 8:30. You have a secured appearance bond in the amount of $2,500. In the event you post that bond, you do have written conditions of release. You may not possess weapons, and you may not possess drugs without a valid prescription. All of this will be in your paperwork, sir. Did you have a question?
Yeah, I just want to know why they bring this up 4 years later. Or I've been doing good. I've changed my life around. I just don't see why
I do, Nikki, but you know what? I wouldn't feel right.
Unfortunately, I don't have the answer to that. The prosecutors chose to do that, and they're not here today. So unfortunately, I won't be able to answer that. You may be able to talk with your attorney on October 14th, and they may have a better answer for that. But unfortunately, I do see it is a handful of years old, but it wasn't filed until this year, sir.
Okay, and you said my bond is how much?
It's $2,500. It is secured, meaning you can use a bail bonding company. Bail bonding companies are typically going to be 10% plus collateral.
Okay. Plus collateral, I don't know what that is.
So typically what it's going to require you'll have to contact them, but usually it's going to be 10% of the $2,500, but then you need to give them something of value of the $2,500, okay?
Okay.
Thank you,
All right,
Nikki.
thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Mr. Quintana to the podium, Mr. Slater to the chair.
Hey, hi, Queen. I read your message as it said I'm working.
Can I get your name and date of birth?
On making a kiddo. Like, what the?
Thank you, sir. It does look like you are here on a new case. It is for 1 count of reckless driving, a Class 2 misdemeanor, 1 count of exceeding the posted speed limit by more than 20 miles per hour, a Class 3 misdemeanor, 1 count of no current registration, and 1 count of improper tint on your windows. I am finding probable cause and appointing an attorney to represent you. You're going to have a status conference, an arraignment hearing, October 14th at 8:30. That will take place in the White Tank Justice Court. You do have a secured appearance bond in the amount of $1,500. In the event you post that bond, you have written conditions of release. You may not possess any drugs without a valid prescription, and you may not drive a motor vehicle without a valid driver's license. All of that will be in your paperwork, sir. Did you have any questions?
Thank you for that, pumpkin.
Yeah, so then I'll just take care of the bond with them out there?
Yeah, so they'll take you to the next step. They will give you instructions on how to post that bond, as well as access to phones to contact anybody you may need to do to get that posted.
Okay.
Once that's posted, it takes about 4 to 6 hours to be released, okay?
Thank you.
All right, thank you,
4
sir.
to 6 hours.
Mr. Slater to the podium.
AC.
Mr. Williams to the chair.
Mr. Williams, come on down.
May I get your name and date of birth?
Christopher Slater, 6688.
Thank you, sir. It does look like you are here on a probation
It's
violation warrant with allegations that you violated terms 3 and 5 of your probation. I'm appointing an attorney and setting a probation revocation hearing October 15th at 8:30. You have a secured appearance bond in the amount of $500. In the event you post that bond, you do have written conditions of release. It will include not possessing weapons or alcohol and contacting your probation officer within 72 hours of release. All of that will be in your paperwork, sir. Did you have any questions?
No.
If you'll step to your left, the officer will get you that paperwork. Mr. Williams to the podium. Kendra Juan to the chair.
Yeah, Joshua, it's like that sometimes. The court.
May I get your name and date of
Their
birth?
Wi-Fi sucks.
My name is Jeffrey Williams. My birthday is 4/18/1963.
Thank you, sir. It does look like you are here on 2 probation violation warrants with allegations that you violated terms 3 and 5 of your probation. I am appointing an attorney to represent you, and I'm setting a probation revocation hearing October 15th at 8:30. You have a secured appearance bond of $250 in one case, $200 in the other. That's a total bond of $450. In the event you post that bond, you have written conditions of release. You may not possess weapons or alcohol, and you must contact your probation officer within 72 hours of release. All of that will be in your paperwork, sir. Did you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
Thank you. If you'll step to your left, the officer will get you that paperwork. Ms. Juan to the podium. Ms. Hernandez to the chair. May I get your name and date of birth?
Thank you for that follow.
4/21/95.
Thank you, ma'am. You are here on two cases. You're here on a direct complaint as well as a probation violation warrant. The direct complaint is for an offense date of June 1st, 2025, for one count of narcotic drug possession, Class 4 felony, and one count of drug paraphernalia possession, a Class 6 felony. Your probation violation is allegations that you violated terms 3 and 5. I'm appointing an attorney to represent you in both cases, and I'm going to set a few hearings. You have a status conference, October 14th at 8:30, a probation revocation hearing, October 15th at 8:30, and a preliminary hearing, October 16th at 8:30. You have a secured appearance bond in the amount of $250 for the drug charges, a $100 bond on your probation case. That is a total bond of $350. In the event you post that bond, you have written conditions of release. You may not possess weapons or alcohol, and you must contact your probation officer within 72 hours of release. All of that will be in your paperwork, ma'am. Did you have any questions? No. If you'll take a step to your left, the officer will get that for you. Ms. Hernandez to the podium. Mr. Wingfield to the chair.
Rugs are bad. They really are. They really are.
May I get your name and date of birth?
Monica Garcia Hernandez, June 4th, 1997.
Thank you, ma'am. It does look like you are here today on a warrant from the Buckeye Municipal Court. It does relate to an offense date of August 26th, 2022 for one count of criminal damage, a Class 1 misdemeanor. It looks like this was brought over as a page 2. Are you currently in custody for something else?
Probation violation.
Okay, and
Hey, what up, Kimberly?
are you serving time on that?
No. Well, bond, they gave me a bond.
You have a bond on that? Okay. So what I'm going to do in this case is I'm going to appoint an attorney to represent you. I'm going to set an arraignment hearing in the Buckeye Municipal Court on October 15th at 1 p.m., and you'll have a secured appearance bond of $50. So this would be in addition to the bond that was placed for the probation case. If you post those bonds and are released from custody, you have written conditions of release. You may not possess weapons or alcohol, and you must contact your probation officer within 72 hours. That will be in your paperwork, ma'am. Did you have any questions? Okay, just step to your left, the officer will get you that paperwork. Thank you, ma'am. Mr. Wingfield to the podium and Mr. Ochoa to the chair.
Mr. Ochoa. What are we watching? We're watching Maricopa
Get your name and date
County
of
Court,
birth.
if you will.
When I went to the third, Denari,
Can I
That's
get your
right,
date of birth?
Joshua.
12893.
Thank you. Sorry if I missed that.
No, it's fine.
It does look like you are here on a warrant from the Peoria Municipal Court. It does relate to an offense date of May 12th,
Can I explain
2023.
myself what happened?
Well, I'm going to go over everything. I don't want to talk about the facts of the case because this is being recorded
Let's
and
go
you don't
over
have
them.
an attorney here.
Speak
Plus,
up
I
on
don't
it.
have the information
clear
that
up the
relates to the
misunderstanding.
facts.
Like a
Arizona.
waterfall, that's all I'm saying. You know
I'm
what I mean?
sorry?
Like, I scheduled everything for Friday, and then the Friday was the 26th. And I didn't have court until October 7th, and I have a deadline of the 10th. I remember talking to you about this. They didn't post my bail. That was in my Rule 11. He's like, we'll see, but I got released.
Okay.
And then I got page 2 for all this. You said you would remember the case. I was on my way to Scottsdale to see Joe's Cheeseburgers. But every time I go, I've been trying to see an outside judge for like the last 2 weeks because they missed my court date to bail me out so I can pay for all the fines because it's going to keep on page 2ing me. And I don't want to like cause more problems for the judges and be a pain in the ass, but like it's coming out of my money. I can't get my money if I can't get a hold of Judge Cheeseburgers in Scottsdale.
These easy
So
cheeseburgers.
I'll go through all the jurisdictions after Tempe because I own ASU, I own football, the NFL, I own Playboy, I own Hustler, all the other a million different things. But if I don't pay this stuff coming up on the 10th of October right now, I could probably make it work on Monday. But if I don't get to Scottsdale, I'm screwed. And that's what I remember talking about, but I don't know like what you were going to go into. It's kind of weird seeing a judge at 11:30.
So the charges you're here for an offense date of May 12th, 2023.
See, he's confused.
For one
I'm
count
confused.
of consuming liquor in public, a Class 2 misdemeanor, and 1 count of criminal trespass, a Class 3 misdemeanor.
That's the charge I was talking about. I should have a $12,000 open container charge because I was trying to make sure all the judges knew what was going on. And it's not that I'm neglectful of paying. I love this charge from Peoria. Thank you, Peoria. Maricopa for giving that to me. I barely cracked the beer, and it was like that much down, or like that much down, somewhere in there, in that range. I took 1-2 sips out of it, and the cop showed up, and he said, okay, that's how the charge started. That way when stuff like this happens, you guys can help me with it. But I'm at that deadline of paying bills, and I can't get my state license with the denari mark on it, which that's me, Grand Winfield III, with the sex symbol of denari, a money, a Deutschmark or Deutschmark. I have to get that from Cheeseburgers.
Cheeseburgers again?
Marking the 10th years, I'm having 9 fingers. I just had malpracticing last 4th of July, so basically I just got released, or OR'd. Is there any possibility? They said I might have a bond.
Well, let me take a look at everything, so just give me a moment. Officer, do you know if he being held here for anything else?
Yeah, for being a hamburglar. What do you mean, Your Honor? He's being a hamburglar. That's getting highlighted. Definitely.
Which is the one I have. Is there anything else? And so he's not here serving time for anything else or anything like that? Okay. All right. So I'm going to change the orders on this then. Due to the nature of your charges, sir, you're not entitled to court-appointed counsel. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a hearing that you're going to need to attend, and that's going to be on October 28th at 9 a.m. in the Peoria Municipal Court.
Okay.
I am going to release you today on your own recognizance, that is your promise to appear.
Okay.
You have written conditions of release. You may not possess any drugs without a valid prescription, and you may not drive a motor vehicle without a valid driver's license. And all of this is going to be in your paperwork, okay?
When I get all my identification cards from Swahili, do I have to go to each and every municipal jurisdiction to get you guys copies of it? Because it's just me, it's not my family anymore, so the problem and the headache was done. Because the following question you told me to ask, I think it was you, I remember it being you. Do you want me to keep the open container charge so you guys have tabs on me until the first of the new year? Until everything is settled? I mean, like, you told me you didn't know, kind of.
I want you to go to the hearing on October 28th at 9 a.m., and that they'll address that open container charge, okay?
Okay.
Okay, if you'll take a seat in the gallery, the officer will get you that paperwork.
All this talk about cheeseburgers is getting me hungry. I wouldn't mind
Mr.
1 or 2
Ochoa
cheeseburgers.
to the podium.
Right
Ms.
about now.
Friend to the chair.
Man, give me a Rally's cheeseburger. Man, I haven't had Rally's in
Make
years.
it your name and date of birth.
Adrian Ochoa, 1029-06.
Thank you, sir. It does look like you are here on a new case for 1 count of disorderly conduct, a Class 1 misdemeanor. Probable cause has been found. However, due to the nature of your charges, you're not entitled to court-appointed counsel. You're going to have an arraignment hearing October 28th at 2 p.m. That'll take place in the Buckeye Municipal Court. I'm going to release you today on your own recognizance. That is your promise to appear. However, you do have written conditions of release. You may not return to the scene of the alleged crime. No contact with any alleged victim, complainant, or witness. All of that will be in your paperwork. Did you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay, if you'll take a step to your left.
Yeah,
Go seat in the gallery. She just walked away. She'll bring you your paperwork, okay?
Thank you.
Thank
so
you.
this was 19. Hey,
Ms. Friend to the podium.
I would not want to
Mr.
look that young
Merriweather
in
to
jail.
the chair.
Hell, especially out on the East Coast too, or the Midwest. No, thank you.
Can I get your name and date of birth?
John Friend, 12/31/92.
Thank you, ma'am. It does look like you are here on 2 cases. You're here on a probation violation warrant with allegations you violated term 3 of your probation. I'm appointing an attorney and setting a probation revocation hearing October 15th at 8:30. That's in the Maricopa County Superior Court. But you also have a warrant from the Hacienda Justice Court, and that looks like it's for failing to comply with some court orders or failing to pay some fines related to a DUI from 2020. In that case, you're not entitled to court-appointed counsel, but you will have an arraignment hearing October 22nd at 9 a.m. in the Hacienda Justice Court. I am going to release you today on your own recognizance. That is your promise to appear at these hearings.
Yes, ma'am.
You will have written conditions of release you need to comply with. It does include not possessing weapons or alcohol and contacting your probation officer within 72
I
hours.
just got her information. I didn't have it before, so I wasn't able to contact her, so I just got it from them today.
Okay,
so
and it will be in your paperwork today. Make sure you do that, and make sure you go to those hearings. If you fail to appear, a warrant will issue, and you'll be held on bond, okay?
Jimmy, I'm not sure.
All right, if you'll take a step to your left, the officer will get you
so
that.
much.
Thank you, ma'am. Ms. Merriweather to the podium, Mr. Ruiz to the chair.
So the message I just updated to clear up any confusion. Page me on my beeper So if you have any questions as
Can I
far
get your name
as
and
what
date of birth?
page and beeper
Andre
means,
Merriweather, 1127.
you were definitely
Thank
born
you,
in
sir.
like
It does look like
2000,
you are
after
here on a
2000.
warrant from the El Centro Justice Court. It does relate to a charge of criminal trespass and failing to appear at a hearing. Due to the nature of your charges, you're not entitled to court-appointed counsel. You will have an arraignment hearing October 23rd at 9:30 in the morning in the El Centro Justice Court. I am going to release you today on your own recognizance. That is your promise to appear. You do have written conditions of release. You may not possess drugs without a valid prescription, and you may not drive a motor vehicle without a valid driver's license. All of this will be in your paperwork. Did you have any questions?
Yes, well, no question, but I just got out of court, this trespassing thing, right? And I graduated, and they said, this, they didn't see up under my record. This is my last trespassing thing right here. And I've done all that. Now, I got stopped today sitting in the park. No drinks,
Is that
no
another
nothing.
Tupac shirt?
Sitting in the park.
Hold up. I got to zoom in on this. Is that
Now,
Tupac again?
Why did, it's right there.
Man, Tupac is
Why
definitely
didn't,
popping
when I was
today.
going to court for these other
That is right. That is Tupac, yeah.
Now I got a warrant for this one.
Let me see. Hold
on. And when I was going to court, they said they didn't see nothing about this court. But I got a warrant.
Oh, I found it.
Unfortunately, I don't have the answer as to why this was not caught before. It is coming out of the El Centro Justice Court. It was issued on August 18th, 2025. Make sure you go to that hearing on October 23rd, and they'll have some more information as it relates to this case, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you, sir. Step to the left, and they'll give you that paperwork.
Bam. Man, I got them Twitter fingers.
Good evening. Do I have a Spanish interpreter on the line?
Español, right here, Your Honor. Aquí estoy.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. I do have one case. Are you ready to begin?
Hey, what up, Slapper?
Good evening, sir. I do have a Spanish interpreter on the line. I do ask that you wait for him to translate before responding.
Buenas noches, señor. Mi nombre es Alan, un intérprete que le va a ayudar el día de hoy. Ella le solicita que por favor espere para que yo interprete y traduzca antes de responder.
May I please get your name and date of birth?
¿Me permite su nombre y fecha de nacimiento?
Luis Morgue Ruz, el 7 de junio del 2003.
This is the interpreter speaking. Let me ask for repetition his name. Disculpe, ¿podría repetir su nombre?
Luis Morgues Ruz.
Hey, thank you, High Queen.
7 de junio del 2003.
Luis Morgues Ruz, June 7, 2003.
Thank you, sir. You are here today on a grand jury warrant.
LMB, thank you for the follow. Highly appreciate you.
Ok, señor, y el día de hoy usted está aquí. Could you repeat what you said, miss?
Oh, yes.
Yes, thank you, sir. You are here today on a grand jury warrant.
Ok, gracias, señor. Y el día de hoy usted está aquí.
It is for offense dates February 12th, 2025 to February 21st, 2025.
Usted está aquí con la orden de arresto ante del gran jurado. Could you repeat the dates one more time, miss?
February 12th, 2025 to February 21st, 2025.
Eso fue el día 12 de febrero del 2025 al día 25 de febrero del 2025.
It is for one count of theft, a class... I apologize.
Go ahead.
It is for one count of theft, a class 3 felony.
Es una cuenta de robo ante 3 delitos graves.
Three counts of organized retail theft, a class 4 felony.
Could you repeat that one more time?
3 counts of organized retail theft, a class 4 felony.
You said recall theft?
3 counts of organized retail theft.
Ay, ay, ay. Where they find this guy at?
I'm sorry, miss.
This guy's all bad.
Are you having a hard time understanding me?
Mm-hmm. Sí,
Yes.
sí, señora. Sí, señora.
It is for 3 counts of retail theft.
Se robó algo, güey. Se robó algo de la tienda. Man, hang up on this food, Your Honor. Hang up on him. We need a new
You said 3
Timo
counts of retail
Timo
theft.
translator.
Yes, sir.
The translator needs a translator.
Okay.
Henry.
Esto es por 3 cargos de delito grave, de robo en comercios minoristas,
This was like.
I'm appointing an
¿Qué?
attorney to represent you.
¿Qué, güey?
estoy señalando un abogado para representarlo a usted.
And you will have a hearing October 15th at 8:30 in the morning.
He's looking up the words. Give me.
Usted va a tener una audiencia el día
JG knows
15 de
Spanish, he's
octubre a
saying
las
the-
8:30 de la mañana.
You have a cash bond of $10,000.
Where, why I'm here.
Tiene una fianza o bono de efectivo de $10,000.
He is translating good.
If
so
you
far.
post that bond, you have written conditions of release.
Oh,
Si usted paga eso, usted tiene condiciones escritas para liberarse.
It does include not returning to the scene of the crime.
Incluye no retornar a la escena del crimen.
Hey, what up, Steven?
All of this will be in your paperwork. Did you have any questions?
Oh, let me
No.
see.
Todo esto va a estar en su papeleo. ¿Tiene usted alguna pregunta?
No.
No.
If you will step to your left, the officer will get you that paperwork.
Si usted se dirige a la izquierda, el oficial le va a dar ese papeleo.
Thank you, Mr. Interpreter. That does conclude our Spanish matter this evening. I appreciate your assistance. Feel free to disconnect at your convenience.
Thanks for calling Lionbridge. Have a great evening. Bye.
Never tell the public defender you're guilty. Is this live? Hawaii? What the what? Hawaii? Come again? Step to the left, interpreter.
All right, I think that concludes our calendar, our 11 p.m. calendar. We will now stand in recess until 2 a.m.
Did she say 2 a.m.? Nah, did she say 11 p.m.? Did she say 2 a.m.? This can't be real. This must be AI generated. Hawaii? No. the Amazon warehouse. Ay, ay, ay. Hey, man. I appreciate you guys coming on today. Damn, I see we got 12,000 taps on one screen. Let me see. We got 12. Damn, we got 12,000 on both streams. Hell yeah. Let me see. 2 a.m. recess. Yup. So for those of you that are not aware, I run these streams even when I'm not on. These streams are running on YT. Same channel name at Collect Call From. The first quarter of the day is at 2 a.m., 5 a.m., 8 a.m., 11 a.m., 2 p.m., 5 p.m., 8 p.m., and 11 p.m., which is the one we're currently on right now, which is the last quarter of the day. And you might be wondering where they're running court so late. So this would be in the state of Arizona. This would be in the county of Maricopa, and this is going to be the city of Phoenix, if you will. And then another question would be like, well, why do they have court so late? You know, where I'm from, they have court Monday through Friday and do, banker hours between 8 a.m. and 4:30. So this can't be real. This has to be AI generated. I know that's what you're thinking right now. So what you fail to realize is this, that different states have different laws and they run things differently. So in Maricopa County and Arizona, when you get arrested in Arizona, you have to be seen and you have to be in front of a magistrate or a judge within 24 hours of your arrest. If you're not seen within 24 hours, I'm assuming they're gonna let you go because they violated your rights, your Arizona rights or whatever, And And if you don't go in front of the judge within 24 hours, there has to be a really good reason why that was. Whether it's if you're running from the cops and you hit a wall and you ended up in the hospital, that's a good reason that you wouldn't be in court, because you're gonna be up in a bed in either a full cast or possibly coma or possibly even worse. So hey, thank you, KC. So yeah, so those would be some of the reasons. And then another thing you gotta factor in is that crime never sleeps. Crime is always happening every throughout the day, whether it's the morning, breakfast, lunch, dinner, midnight. There's always gonna be crime going on. So I'm assuming in Arizona, if they didn't handle these cases like that, their court system would be backed up, and it would probably be take months to be seen by a judge. Crime doesn't stop 365 days a year. Let me see that they just have so many people. Oh, interesting. Damn, somebody wrote I'm in Arizona. Dr. Pepper. Damn, proceed with caution, especially in Pima County and Maricopa County. Anyhow, hey, if you haven't done so, please do so. Avery, thank you for that follow. Hit that follow button. It's free 99 out of your mind. Doesn't cost you a thing. Everything that I put out is free. I will not be begging or asking for any gifts or anything like that. But I will ask and request for you guys to hit that follow button. Don't be a Scrooge McDuck. Don't be a Mr. Krabby Patty. Hit that follow button. If you're watching and you find some value out of you watching and you're not hitting that follow button, it's like you're stealing something that I'm putting out for free. How does that make you feel? Anyhow, hopefully that's working on you to get you guys to follow. I would really appreciate it. We're trying to get to 20,000 on this account. We're currently at 17,088 followers on the smaller account. We're trying to get to 20. And then let me see. Damn, that's gonna violate your probation. That's no bueno. Hey, thank you, Jeff. Thank you for that follow. Anyhow, hey, and somebody just sent to heart. I can't read the name because it has fancy writing, but thank you. Anyhow, hey, I am Collect Call James. You guys are watching. You have a collect call from, and like I said around here, life's like a candle. Once you blow it out, puro. That's right. Andatira. Buenas noches a ti. Damn, you brought me. You straight gave me LA County flashbacks. Woo-hoo-hoo. Hey, keep it down. Radio that. If you're from LA County, you know what radio means. All right. Anyhow, hey. I am Collect Call James. You are watching. You have a collect call from. And like I said around here, life's like a candle. Once you blow it out, it slices out. And with that, we're out. Rato y buenas noches.